Brian Jackson with ITbusiness.ca. I'm on the show floor here at Dreamforce, the annual Salesforce.com conference, and I have with me Rob Begg from Introhive. They're all the way from New Brunswick. Welcome.
Hey, thanks, Brian. Good to see you on the show floor today. Busy spot.
Yeah, it's very busy here, and we're just huddled in behind the booth, so I think we'll be okay. Nobody should knock over the tripod, but it could happen. Anyway, tell me about Introhive. You guys want to find leads that our company already knows, basically.
Yeah, Introhive is actually a really simple application. What we do is we map the connections between your company and its employees with potential customers and prospects. How we do that is we analyze things like email, social data, mobile data, and it maps out who can introduce you to potential customers, what kind of relationships you have with those customers, and where that relationship is going. We typically sell to other B2B businesses, and we typically sell to the sales department.
Great. So how could I have like a sales lead in my organization without even realize it? I mean, what exactly does your software do to uncover these potential leads?
Yeah, what it really does is it uncovers and measures connections. So if you think about it, even if you work in a mid-sized company, there's probably people in your organization who know potential customers' prospects, but you don't know that. So maybe they worked at a previous company and then they work with these people. What our software does is helps you find those people. So let's say I'm a sales rep, I get a big RFP from company X, and if I want to be able to introduce that one, I could, yell it out across the office, or maybe if I had heard word of mouth that someone knew it, using our software, you can find out not only who knows that customer in that company, but how strong the relationship is, and have a mechanism to be introduced to them.
We were talking about how you're a Salesforce partner in the App Exchange and Introhive's available there. Tell us a little bit about that and how the App Exchange interfaces with you.
Right. The Salesforce App Exchange is a really important program for companies like ours, especially those of us who are just starting out. What it does, it not only gives you access to customers as a way for them to find you, but it gives you marketing opportunities such as this event. So by exhibiting here, not only do I meet the customers that I know, but I also meet this massive ecosystem of great potential customers. Tactically, how it works is we create our application on the Salesforce platform to work with Salesforce products. We go through an approval process that looks at security, those sort of things, and we get launched on it. Makes it easy for our customers to buy, but it integrates it into the application that they're already using every day, which is Salesforce CRM.
Okay, fantastic. I got to say, this is the first vendor stuff that I've actually grabbed all day. You have these unique buttons. There's like monsters. What are these?
So our slogan is social selling made real. So we've created a series of buttons of things that are not real. Unicorns, few others, but my favorite, ready, wait for it, Yetis.
That's the one I put on.
It's the best one. I'm wearing my flare myself. They've been a big hit at the show.
Okay, great. Thanks so much for telling me about Introhive.
Thanks, Brian. Talk to you later.